You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Join me as we make this trendy Ankara pants for my male customer. Fold your fabric into two. Take out 3 inches, 3 inches measurement vertically before you start your vertical measurement. And then the length of my pant is 43, so I took out 1.5 inch before for the band, for the waistband before I took my length measurement. After that, you take your crouch measurement. Mine is 14 inches. 14 inches, yes. Then you take your, if you want to get your crouch measurement, you can do your hip divide by 4, which mine is 14. Then next thing is to get your knee. Since I didn't measure the knee of this person, so measure from your crouch to your length, divide it by 2 and minus 3, and then you measure it. Remember I said you measure from your crouch to your main length divided by 2 minus 3 inches. Then you start measuring you place your hip measurement on that crouch line, your hip measurement. So you do your hip measurement divide by 4. So you play, mine is 11.5. Then you place it there. You add extra 2 inches. Then you take down that same measurement to your knee line and to your length line. Yes. So transfer the same measurement that is on your hip line to your waistline, and then connect it to the measurement on your. So if you're doing a slanted pocket, a width of 2.5 and a length of 7.5. So on the cross line, come up by 2 inches and make a slanted curve. And then on the waistline, come down by 1 inch and connect it to that pocket line. Cross check your measurements and then you cut out the front part of this pant. So for the back measurement, fold your fabric into two, and then at the crotch line, come out by 2.5 inches and then slant it to your knee line. I don't want to get to my length because I don't want the trouser to pull up. So while at your waist, that line there, you can add 1.5 inches and connect to your hip line. That's your crouch line. 1.5 inches, take it upwards, and then you give a good curve. A good curve. While at the upper part, you come up by 2 inches. Some people do 1.5, but anyone you want, come up by 2 inches and then you slant it to the tip. Cross check your measurements and then cut the back of this band. Note why I didn't add extra allowance at the back is that I already gave 3 inches allowance at the front part before I started taking my measurement. So um that one would account for any other measurements needed. Your front piece, cut out that pocket side, and then this is the band piece for the band, depending on how many inches you remove. So for the pocket, I will drop a detailed tutorial on how to attach your pocket to your pants. So when you're done fixing your pocket, join the front piece and the back piece together with 1 inch. So this is the final look. I'll drop a video on how I attach the Asoke pocket. Like, subscribe, and follow for more.